Good everyone, it is your favorite tutor and today is your favorite tutor on mathematics. Okay, continuation from simple equation. Remember in our previous class we discussed about what simple equation and then we solve questions. And right here I have questions under what simple equation. So we are going to solve them. Alright, now look at this question. It said a number is divided into two parts. We don't know the number. Such that one part is 10 more than the other. If the two parts are in the ratio 5:3, find the number and the two parts. So we're told that one part is what 10 more than the other. So if we know one part of the number, we will know the other parts. So therefore we can say let the first part the first part of the number be equals to what? X. And therefore the second part is what? 10 more than the first. That is going to be what? X plus what? 10. Okay? And we're told that the ratio of both parts is equal to what? 5:3. Alright. So therefore, let us start with what? The ratio. This ratio here, this symbol ratio, is known as what? Division. This is what? If I say 5:3, it's the same thing as what? 5 divided by what? 3. So therefore, if I bring out the ratio out, 5 divided by what? 3. It's going to be what? Equals to the what? The division of the what? The two parts. The division of the what? Two parts. So right here, the second part is greater than the what? First part. So the second part is going to take the what? The higher ratio. X plus what? 10. Taking what? The ratio of 5. While what? The first part is what? X. Taking the ratio of what? 3. So this is the what? The required what? Equation of this what? Question. Alright, now that we have the equation, we now do what? Solve. Alright, for we to start solving, we have to do what? Cross multiply. We'll cross multiply. Cross multiply. 5 times what? X is what? 5x equals to what? 3 times x plus 10. 3 bracket what? X plus what? 10. So therefore this is what? 5x equals to what? 3 times x is what? 3x. 3 times 10 is what? 30. So this is what? Plus what? 30. Okay. We now do what? Collect like terms. So we take 3 to this other side of the what? Equation. Right here is what? Positive. When you cross over, it is going to be what? Negative. 5x minus what? 3x equals to what? 30. So therefore 5x minus 3x is what? 2x equals to what? 30. Then we do what? Divide both sides by what? The coefficient of x. 2. Divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is what? 2. 2 cancel out 2. So therefore x is equals to what? 30 divided by 2 is what? 15. So therefore x is equals to what? 15. And what is x? X is the what? The first part. So I can say therefore the first part is equals to what? 15. And the second part will be equals to what? The second part is what? X plus what? 10, which is what? 15 plus what? 10 gives you what? 25. And the number that was divided, into two parts will be equals to what? 15 plus what? 25, which is what? 40. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the answer to the word question. All right, take your time and then put it down. Okay, let us do the other part of the word question. You can pause the video and then put this question down. Okay, all right, what we have here, the length of a rectangle is twice its breadth. If the perimeter is 72 meters, find the length and the breadth of the triangle, of the rectangle. Okay, we're told that the length of the rectangle. Now, if this is a rectangle, if this is a rectangle, it's not a rectangle. Okay, it is a rectangle. Here's length, here's breadth, and we're told that the length is twice this breadth. So the length is equals to twice the breadth. So therefore 2 breadth, that is 2 times the breadth. And the perimeter is 72. So we are looking for the length and we are looking for the breadth. But before we go further, we were given perimeter. We're given perimeter. Okay. What is the perimeter of a rectangle? The perimeter of a rectangle is equals to what? Now if here is length, here will be length. If here is breadth, here will be breadth. If this is a rectangle, opposite side are equal. Opposite side are equal. So the perimeter is the sum of all sides. The sum of all sides. So therefore we have 2 lengths. Length plus length plus breadth plus breadth. So therefore the perimeter is equals to 2 lengths plus 2 breadths. Therefore the perimeter will be equals to, let us make it beautiful. 2 here, 2 is here, 2 is here. We now factorize 2 bracket length plus breadth. So this is the formula for perimeter of a rectangle. So this is going to be our required equation to solve this question. So our equation to solve this question is going to be the perimeter equals to 2 bracket length plus breadth. So therefore the perimeter P is 72. 72 equals to 2 bracket. What is the length? The length is twice the breadth. 2 B plus B. So therefore this is 72 equals to If you check the brackets, you can see that there are like terms. 2B plus B is going to give us 3B. So therefore this is 2 brackets 3 B. Therefore this is 72 equals to 2 times 3B is going to give us 6 B. That is 6 breadths. So therefore 6 breadths is equals to 72. We'll now divide both sides. Divide both sides by what? By the coefficient of the breadth, which is 6. So therefore 6 breadths divided by 6 equals to 72 divided by 6. 6 cancel at 6, leaving the breadth is equals to 72 divided by 6 is 12. So therefore the breadth is 12 meter. 12 meters. Now if the breadth is 12 meters, the length is equals to 2 breadth. Twice the breadth. Therefore the length is equals to 2 times 12, and the length is equals to 24 meters. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the word answer to the word question. So we'll come to the end of this episode. I remain your words favorite tutor, and please subscribe. God bless you as you do so.